Hello, so my name is Umar Hanif. I'm gonna to represent for Group 11. We're gonna discuss about the forest ecosystem complexity, aspect and implication of complexity. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about what is a forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is a dynamic complex of plant, animal and microorganism communities and their abiotic environment interacting as a functional unit, where trees are a key component of the system. Okay, so humans with their cultural, economic and environmental needs are an integral part of many forest ecosystems. So what do we mean by forest ecosystem complexity? Forest ecosystems are characterized by complex assemblage of different plant life forms to various types of herbs and shrubs, for example, or to climbers and trees. That plant and animal matter provide the energy resource for a different set of animals and microbes that serve to decompose the organic matter and make the nutrients they contain available again for uptake by a new generation of living plants and microbes. And then the interaction between the living organism and between this organism and both the dead organic matter and the physical environment contributes to the complexity of ecological system. So meaning that the life, the progress of life and death, the things that live or not is one of the meaning of a forest ecosystem complexity. So most situations to understand about the forest ecosystem complexity are such multitudes of animals, multiple of plant for food, the biology of the animals, looking for a food, which some of them are herbivores, some of them are carnivore. And then at the same time, many organisms make use of other types of organisms. Trees use animals as pollinators, and seed dispersers and microorganisms transport nutrients from one individual organism to one another microorganism. So that's meaning how the biology, there's a lot of types of biology that's contained in forest. So yeah, the aspects of forest complexity we can look at as its source, the exceptional amounts of light, warmth and moisture that everlasting foster favorable conditions for the evolution of species in their multitudes. Then some location, many organisms have to constantly roam the forest looking for the next meal, which means it can afford to stay in one place because there is enough food for some animals at their hand, so they don't need to move far away from their home. As an implication of forest complexity, I think it gives the human advantage for obtaining some resources that can be taken from this complex forest, such as resources of food, resource of medicine, something like that. And then it can also be a product for a research study purpose for who wants to doing some research or study more in a biological in forest ecosystem. And then you can also and then the forest complexity also can conserve more population of wildlife, animals and plants.